How you sustain this bruise?
Yes, the policemen that were brought to where they claimed the protest was taking place just pounced on people. I came out of my car because I was covering the event and told them to stop beating people, and they pounced on me too and broke my nose. This was carried out by a mobile police officer who led about 7 vehicles loaded with mobile policemen well armed. It was an attempt to tell him to stop brutalizing Nigerians in view of NSAS and the position of this country right now on police brutality, that they pounced on me to broke my nose. When they took me to the abattoir, I discovered that the Nigerian government has not indexed SAS. They mobilized SAS officers to also beat us up and force us into detention at one of the notorious SAS detention centers where we've been since Friday.
So what's the next now? When are you coming back?
Tomorrow, we are going to court tomorrow to rule on bail.
All right.
Yes. I mean, to listen to the magistrate.
Yes.
Yes, we were also instructed to file for we were also instructed to ensure that we have adequate medical treatment. So they said they should send us to Kuje prison for the next 24 hours.
Correctional center.
Is it correctional center? Yeah. Well, I don't agree that it's correctional. So.
All right, thank you.
Further imprisonment.